Hey guys, how y'all doing, and welcome back to the channel. My name's David and I fix RVs for a living. Now let's have a look at today's issue, which is, I'm going to move this garbage can out of the way. Got a big old leak over here. It's not the hose either, it's actually back in here, so I'm going to have to replace this entire inlet. It's actually caused by this heavy hose just hanging straight out here, putting weight on it. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a 90-degree connector on here, then the hose will come straight up from the bottom, and I think that'll work a lot better. So this is the new water inlet that I'm going to be installing, and I'm going to put this 90-degree connector. It's just going to thread right into there, so it's going to hang down like that, and then the hose will come up into the bottom rather than sticking straight out. I think that's a way better idea. When it's cold outside, this stuff doesn't squeeze out quite as easy as it does in the summer. I think that's good. Alright, now I'm going to thread in my 90. I put one of these on my RV a few years ago too, and it just made all the difference in the world. There we go. All right, let's turn on the water and test for leaks. Well, the water is on, and it looks like we are good to go to the next job. Next job's a furnace install. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.